In this video, I am trying out a $20 budget hack to fix my wrinkles without Botox. So as you may or may not know, Botox can have serious side effects and it's expensive, $500 to $1,000 or more. It only lasts on average 3 months. So let's see if we can hack it in this video. Now, this is not sponsored. I purchased this product on Amazon. I actually learned about it from you guys, a few of my followers way back when, and I'm going to link the exact product below in the description if you are interested in trying it out with me. Now, the before and after pictures from this brand's website is what really sold me. So I just had to try it because these pictures are incredible and this product is so affordable. It's not scary like Botox. It literally has no side effects. So these before and after pictures from their website are literally like Botox level results. I am seeing absolute disappearance or extreme softening of these wrinkles. So if I get results like that, I am going to be thrilled. So let's get into it. These, as you can see, are my forehead wrinkles and these vertical wrinkles here. I'm going to be trying to get rid of those with this product. I do not do Botox or fillers. It's just not what I do personally, at least not right now. So today is day number 1 that I am trying this product called Frownies. I got this for right around $20. This has 144 patches in this box, so that's a lot. So I am doing this for these wrinkles to see if I can get results like we see on their website. And I am going to also tell you what I have done in the past that has made these vertical lines, not my smile lines, but these vertical lines disappear. And when I don't use this product, they gradually come back and they drive me crazy. So I'm going to be restarting that routine to make those disappear. I will show you what I have used for those in the past that work very well. That is just another one of my hacks, so stay tuned for that. And by the way, these lines actually do not go away with Botox because they're not caused by muscle contraction. They're actually caused by facial positioning like this when we sleep. So you have to have another approach. I'll tell you about that. Now, if you're new here, I'm Dr. Maren Locke. I am known here as the Budget Dermatologist. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel, turn on the notifications. I share skincare tips and tricks and product reviews. Now, also turn on those notifications because I am going to be doing a follow-up video in about 30 days from today to show you my 30-day results with using this because you really have to be consistent with a product like this to get results. So that's going to be really the fun part. So come back in about a month, 30 days, and check out the after video and I'll give you my final thoughts. We'll see my before and after pictures. And if that's too long of a wait for you, come follow me on Instagram at the Budget Dermatologist. I'm going to be showing you my journey along the way so you can get like a little sneak peek behind the scenes over there. Okay, so let me show you how these work. So it comes in this box. These are in sheets and these are perforated so you can tear them apart. Each sheet is like this. And then they go or tear into squares that you can put on your skin, or you can take the square and turn it into a triangle shape. So you can kind of create the shape that matches your unique skin. So that's great about these. You place these on your forehead to smooth out your static wrinkles or the wrinkles that are seen at rest. And it lifts off these expression lines so they become less noticeable. So when you place these on your skin, it is really going to lift that muscle, lift it and smooth out everything on the skin so that your wrinkles disappear. I also think, just by the design of this, that it is going to help to some extent prevent your facial muscles from contracting as much so that you are not actually further etching those lines into your skin. So you wear these overnight on a consistent basis and the results build gradually to make your wrinkles disappear or look at least far less noticeable. So that is why I am doing this for 30 days. I am committing myself, so 30 nights in a row to see what results I can get with that level of consistency. Now I will show you, this has a shiny side and a matte side. So you are going to take water, apply it to the shiny side. Any type of water will work. I use my Avon thermal spring water because it's very soft water. Usually water that comes from the tap or the sink is hard water. And we are going to be putting this under occlusion on the skin. So that could be irritating potentially. So I'm going to link this below, but use whatever works for you. So I am just going to, you're probably not going to be able to see this, just like that. And then I'm just gonna take my finger and just kind of warm it up a little bit there. And then I'm gonna set this down, let that just do its thing. And I'm going to prepare the next one in the same way. So one little spritz of that, warm it up, and you can feel it's starting to get a little bit adhesive. So I'm going to start by applying this first one right in the center of these. So this is what I'm treating, these 11s here. So let me see if I can use my mirror. Okay. So it is on the skin. Okay. And then you are going to continue to march along here, placing the others along. So I am thinking that I'm going to do 3 of the larger squares. Don't put too much water. I think I sprayed too much on this, showing you guys how to do the spray. So I think for this space here, I'm going to use the triangle one. Okay, and then let's go like, okay, I think maybe I'll go like this. And just hold firm pressure to make sure everything is completely covered. I imagine this is going to take a little bit of getting used to. So you should put these on and wear these for at least 3 hours or overnight. My plan, these are going on overnight because I want max results, the quickest, to last the longest. And I don't want to deal with these on my skin for 3 hours during the day because that will probably annoy me. So here we are. This is what it looks like. A couple other tips that I just read myself on the website is that you should make sure they extend to the end of the wrinkle. And what else? Yeah, just make sure you're wearing them for the correct amount of time. Okay, so now let me show you what I do for these vertical wrinkles here. They're like resting wrinkles that are etched into the skin. These are this way, vertical wrinkles. They are not my horizontal crow's feet. So really I have 2 kinds of wrinkles going on here. These smile wrinkles, which radiate out, and then the sleep wrinkles, which go down this way. Now, smile wrinkles can be fixed with Botox and probably frownies if you can put them over there. But sleep wrinkles, these vertical guys, are fixed by repositioning your face during sleep. They cannot be fixed with Botox because that is not the cause of them. So I am a side sleeper, which means that my face literally looks like this. The wrinkles here etched in the skin for 8 hours a night, every night. It's a problem. But when I use my special like beauty sleeping pillow, these wrinkles will disappear. And then I get out of my routine, I travel, I don't bring it with me, whatever, and they gradually come back. But when I use that pillow, those will totally disappear. So I'm getting back on my routine now. Actually, let me go get that pillow. I'm gonna show you. Okay, so this is the pillow, and you can see it has these like cradle places where you can sleep on either side, and your face goes in this little cradle so it does not smush. So this is what I'm getting back on. That is going to fix these wrinkles. My frownies hopefully are going to fix these, all without Botox, little budget friendly hacks. This pillow is actually kind of pricey, but it should last you at least 5 years. And I have a discount code linked below that can save you a little bit of money. But again, overall, compared to Botox, which doesn't even fix these wrinkles, it's a way better deal. So definitely stand alone. It can be pricey, but in the realm of cosmetic treatments, it is a big cost savings. So that's the pillow. This is frownies. Everything is going to be linked below. So 30 days from now, check back in. We're going to see how this does. You're going to look for my results video on my channel, subscribe, turn on the notifications so you don't miss it. I took really good before photos of me at rest and then raising my eyebrows so we can see where I started. And then I'm going to take the after photos in the exact same way, same lighting, same time of day, all of that, so we can see how real it is. So make sure you follow me, subscribe, turn on the notifications. I'll see you guys soon.